Hello everyone, welcome to first LEGO City update this year. This is also the first city update after elevation of the layout on the tables. So let's have a overall view and we will go into detail in just a few seconds. The most significant part of the city is the downtown area, which is made from modular buildings, and the strip leads all the way to Avengers Tower, which is unfinished at this time, and the Ninjago area behind. There is quick peek to another side of the downtown area and the unfinished Avengers Tower. I ran out of the pieces during the building, so I have to make a bricklink order to get it finished. And there is the Ninjago area, which I'm really proud of. I think it looks really nice. Let me know what you think. And there is also the Ninjago City set, which I'm not really satisfied with its placing, because I think it's kind of hidden, and also this part is facing the direction out of the city. But this is the only place I was able to put it, because it's very challenging to put it somewhere because of the water which is surrounding it, and I would like to have it turned to have the corner on the other side, but then this bridge will be facing to the city and it would make no sense, because I don't want to have a water area in here. So like this it makes a little bit more sense, so it can go out. And also here will be the like water area, and there's a lighthouse, so it's better this way. And during the placing I also wanted to use this path, so I made like a stairway in here, so it's connected and people can access. There is another view for Ninjago City, Avengers Tower and the downtown area. Next to the downtown there's area where smaller buildings are placed, such as this modified corner deli, Lego shop and all the stuff around. And also police and firehouse, which are also modified from their original sets, because they are closed, because I don't like the open back. And there's also a bunch of another buildings, but those two will go away because I don't like this, and I super hate this. This was the modular villa something called, which was the worst set, worst creator set from last year, so I hope new sets will be better and nicer. And we are moving to newest area. This area was originally a residential building area, but all the houses are moved beneath the table because I needed space for this new project. The main idea for this layout is obvious, is the jungle exploration set, which is used here and here with the shrine, and also there's dinosaur terrorizing the explorers. There's also a lake with alligator, which is also attacking one of the explorers, and there's a waterfall from the lake, and there will be a blue base plate 32 by 32, which will be connected with the old fishing store, and so I think it's nice connection. Let's have a look at the train running beneath the tunnel. train track is not a closed circuit, as you can see here, because it was disconnected. Because I had to move all the layout this way because of the jungle area, and since I got this cargo train set, so I will be extending the layout this direction, where the cargo handling area will be with this cargo set and the heavy haul train. And I think in that area there will be also a beach where I will use those it's fun at the beach set. Okay guys, I think that's all for this update. Let me know what you think. Subscribe, like the video if you liked it. I will be glad for any support or any feedback. And see you soon. Thank you for watching.